Hello guys, my name is Kushinga from Zimbabwe. On this video I'll demonstrate a few things on how to use a PowerPoint presentation. There's a lot of things that you can do with PowerPoint and to make your PowerPoint presentation attractive to the people you are presenting the presentation to. Okay, so firstly you have to create your own PowerPoint presentation. You just search for PowerPoint presentation and click here. Okay, then select blank presentation. Okay, so here on this dialog box, you can, that's where you put your title, the title of the presentation. For example, if you want to present about digital literacy, to present anything, that's where you put your title. Okay, so on this presentation it's mainly on how to use a PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, so how to use a okay, I won't demonstrate much on writing, but the thing is I want to teach you how to make your presentation, PowerPoint presentation, more attractive. So this is my title for the presentation, how to use a PowerPoint presentation. So here on this subtitle dialog bar, that's where you put your points that helps you to remember the things that you are going to be talking about. So here I won't write anything, and the thing is, I just want to make it clear that you can make your presentation more attractive by, you can insert a table, you can insert pictures, you can actually insert features on your presentation. Okay, design how you want your presentation to look like. You know, it's so interesting here. Okay, let me scroll down and see more on these themes. Okay, there are a lot of themes here that you can choose to make your presentation attractive. Okay, we have this one, we have this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I think I'll go for this one. I think it's nice. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let me click this faucet. Okay, yeah, so how to use a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so you can, there are transitions if you want to. These are mainly for slideshow. If you want to slideshow your presentation, animations, if you want to slideshow your presentation, then slideshow, you can set time if you don't want to use your keyboard. If you want to slideshow on its own without you clicking using the keyboard. Okay, so I will put another slide for inserting a video. Okay, video. Yeah, so here you can insert pictures, you can insert tables, charts, and line pictures, and videos. So on this slide, I'll put a video. I'll insert a video. Okay, or then I'll browse. If you want to upload a new video from YouTube, you can then click on YouTube. Okay, so I want to upload this video. I want to insert it on this slide. Okay, it's already inserted. Yeah, it's not playing. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can do with PowerPoint presentation. You can actually insert music, you can insert a timer, you know, a lot of things that you can do with presentation and making your presentation more attractive. You know, so you can actually slideshow your video after putting or inserting these transitions. Okay, I normally like curtains. Okay, it looks nice. It's like you're opening curtains. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so I'll slideshow my presentation from the beginning and see what happens. Okay. Yeah. then there is a video. Okay, all right, so I think this is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, remember to subscribe. Thank you.